Guys, today we're going to be setting up the MIG welding station. The first step that you want to do is to ground your setup. So you want to take this clamp here and attach it here to this beam, and then clamp pulling the table down. Next we want to pressurize our system. We want to open the clamshell. We want to open this valve all the way to the left, so you can start releasing the gas. Once you're all the way left, you want to tighten this so your pressure is up to 20. Make sure it's between 19.5 slowly. 100. Right there, you have 20.
Try them right here. Make sure you follow it. Right, for now, these settings will be correct. Then you can turn on the machine. You just want to make sure that the nozzle is sensitive. You just want to trim it basically to make sure that it's out of correct.
The next step would be to take the machine down. So first you want to depressurize the system. So first you're going to close this all the way. And then you're going to open this until it's loose. Now it's depressurized.
Power off.
Wow, we're on the same page.
No, yeah, you're 7.
And
You were at 7.
Oh, that's what I thought he said.
What numbers?
19.